Okay, guys. So today we walked into the cafeteria to eat some breakfast. There's no 8 o'clock shuttle. It's only 9. So we just came in and Isaac, stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Go away! Go away! Go away! You're gonna kill the birds. So yeah, we came in to get out of here. Isa, go sit down. We came in to get some breakfast, and we see a couple of birds. Naturally. Hold on.
No, hold on. Hurry up, please.
I'm filming a YouTube video right now for some birds. But yeah, they're trying. Hold on. As you can clearly see, they're trying to get out of the window. Cause like, look, that's a window, and they're trying to get out. I feel so bad. But yeah, and we can't really help him. I don't know if we can help him.
What did I say, David?
Okay.
Did I not say to come over here?
All right. I'm going. But yeah. The birds, the chefs are gonna help him right now. I am.
Over here, please.
They're gonna help them get out right now. And yeah, bye guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment. What's your favorite bird? And sorry, this is